Okay, so what we got going on is we got Jerry trying to sneak into the backyard and turn that light on that's on the bird bath. We're gonna be patrolling around the yard. We can't stop. We have to keep moving, and we can just pan our lights around. Go! You got me. Keep going. You what?
Okay, Jerry got me. Got me!
Round two with the 10-year-old as the spy. This ought to be fun. And the game just started. Actually, Jay, oh, you just got me. All right. There's my little espionage. Oh, yeah. Gonna hide the body.
Watching them. One's going this way, the other's coming that way.
All right, let's go this way. Oh. You know what? Where'd Jacob go?
He's coming around that way.
Oh, okay. I hear you knocking, but you can't come in. Woohoo! Shit. I need batteries.
You got me here. I didn't get to shoot.
Oop. Alright. Thank you. Ah, right in the hand. Look at it. Look at it. Fuck. All right, go. Hey. Right here by the car. Right here by the car. Yep, got me in the belly.
God dang it, Jake. I got you!
Nice job, Jacob. Reload. Yeah, you got me. Somebody put my fuck. Jay, don't give his position away.
You might want to put on your mask. Put on your mask. Put on your mask. Not like that. Put it over your face. Before John shoots you in the face. want to stay out of the way?
You got me. You got me.
I won!
You won, buddy.
Yeah! I camper. I'm a camper.
Don't brag about it.
Here's my plan. Shoot him. Okay. Go, 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 go. Got it!
So, go down to the maple tree. I'll go to the mailbox. Come on, Jacob.
This is cool. I'm just looking at the screen and following you.
Run, sucker, run. Did I get you? Alright, that's good.